To measure angles, we use a device called a protractor. A protractor is a circle, normally, sometimes it can be half a circle, and it's divided up into a measurement known as degrees. Angles are measured in degrees. Different type of degrees than temperature, but exactly the same spelling of the word. All angles are measured from 0, and they're measured around the angle until you get to where the angle stops, and that's measured read off on the protractor. So normally if you had an angle like this one here, you would line up one part of the angle with the 0 on the protractor, like this blue part here has been, and then you would read all the way around the angle. The angle is shown by this yellow shape, all the way around the angle until you got to the other side of the angle. In this case, it's like a bit like a Pac-Man with an open mouth. So it's quite a wide angle, and you can read it off that it's 230 degrees, 230. Okay, a whole circle is 360 degrees, so every angle will be somewhere between 0 and 360. A couple of other angles you might need to know about. Right angles are 90 degrees, so that's where it comes in and goes straight up. That's called a 90-degree right angle. And of course, a straight line is 180 degrees. This one here, you can just start with 0, you read all the way around, and it's 240 degrees. Okay, this is a very straightforward activity. The only difficulty in this activity is actually reading the protractor. Sometimes you might need to zoom in. If you do need to zoom in a little bit, you can just see a little bit closer. This one goes all the way around 0, then 350 is here. So this is 351, 352, 353, 354, 355, I believe that one is. It's quite hard to see from out here, but I think by zooming in, you can make it a little bit easier to see exactly where it is. Okay, this one here looks like 61, but let's just zoom in to check. There's 60, 61. And so that's our angle size, 61. Once again, if it's in this part of the circle, it's going to be between 0 and 90. This part is between it's called an acute angle. Between 90 and 180, we call an obtuse angle, and once it goes round past 180, we call it a reflex angle.